Okay guys, so we're working on this 2004 Mitsubishi Eclipse convertible. This one is the one I added a key fob to like a couple months ago. I guess they never sold it. Now they said it has an idling issue, so I'm scanning it. I have no idea what the codes are. It says there's 3, but these things take like 10 minutes to scan. So I'm hoping the battery doesn't die in that time. Okay guys, so I just scanned it. So we got this P0660 intake manifold tuning valve. They said the idle like surges on this and doesn't want to idle right, and I guess it stalls when you put it into gear. Take air temperature sensor high and our air fuel sensor low. I wonder if we can just go into this or if it's going to say no communication. Because I would think we'd be able to look at this through here. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to look at read data stream. Okay, so there's our sensors. Let's go read data stream. Let's see, air fuel ratio sensor, air temp sensor. Do we have a tuning valve? I don't even know what if it'd be under. That's maybe intake tuning valve. Yeah, we'll just go with this. It says 64 degrees. It's not even high right now. Let's start it up, see what happens. Oh man, you can hear it, and we lost connection. Let's go into generic, because we might have substituted data. So I'm going to connect with generic. We'll pop the hood. We'll check underneath the hood, see what's going on. Okay guys, so you can see our engine coolant temperature up. Intake air says 62. I don't see a map sensor. I mean, not a map sensor, a mass airflow sensor. It looks like we got one. Is it not on the list? Airflow. Let's see what our airflow sensor reads. So it looks like everything's working right now, but we got this surging. Airflow rate sensor, look at that, we're at 0. That's why it's not working. Huh. Look at that. We got a bad mass airflow sensor or connector, guys. I pushed this up. Look at that, 6.3. So we got like a bad connector here or something. Maybe a bad mass airflow sensor. Let's see, can we get it to act up again? This is pulled really tight too on this connector. It's like pulled down. Yeah, listen how it's idling now. I'm gonna check the pin tension on this. Okay guys, so I was doing a drag test on here and this one pin isn't as good. Let's see if you guys can see it. It's this one right at my thumb right here. You can see the pin is lower, slightly lower, so it doesn't have as much tension. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Stabilant on here and see if we get a better connection, because I'm just worried that like this will be act up. I'm gonna see if we can get some more of the harness to come up too. Like maybe I could pull it through here a little bit so it stops pulling down on here as much. So I'm gonna put some Stabilant on there, and then I think we might fix this. And I'll post this video if it fixes it, but I think it might just be bad pin tension. Okay guys, so I put some Stabilant right there. Put a little tiny drop on there, and then I brushed it onto the contact, so we'll connect this back up. And there we go. So we got our mass airflow sensor reading. We'll let this run for a little bit, see how it runs, and clean up. Okay guys, it's running really, really nice right now. So let's go back. Let's see, let's read fault codes. Mitsubishi. Okay, so we have current. Let's clear these. Let's go back. No fault codes, okay? Let's shut this off and restart it. See if it starts up a lot nicer. Look at that. Let's see, read live data. No more idle surging. I don't know if we'll get that tuning valve code back again. We might, but it also might have been an issue with the way the car was running, since the idle was all rough. So let's press OK. Let's see what our fuel trims and everything are, because we weren't in closed loop before. We were in open loop because it said fuel trims were 0. Look at that. Look at our fuel trims. They're perfect right now. And I bet you that was our issue, was our connector. I guarantee it because we pushed on it. So if they don't have an issue again, then we'll post this video. If they do, I'll show a video. But if they do have an issue, it's probably going to be the mass airflow sensor, but I doubt it. I think we just have bad pin tension. So I hope you guys like it. See you later.